Alright, back, so I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video. I'm gonna wait. Make sure you like the video, you feel me? Make sure you like the video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Cause, you know what I'm saying? What you like in the video, it just helps me know what y'all want to see, like what y'all want me to do and everything like that. But I'm gonna get straight into the video. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with. I know last video I said I messed up my haircut, but I had some tricks up on my sleeves, you know what I'm saying? Came through, fixed it up a little bit. No, I didn't even fix it, just kind of, my hair grow back like mad quick. My hair grow back really fast. But today's video, I'm gonna go over like wave products and how to use them, because I feel like y'all need to know that. You know what I'm saying? I'll put y'all up on game on that, because y'all already know I'm about to go crazy. I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need, tell y'all what y'all need to do. So it's gonna be a good video. Make sure you watch all the way through, and we're gonna do what it do. Alright, we're gonna get into the video. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat. Burritos or die. You know what I'm saying? Burritos or die. I don't know why I never say it. I don't know why I never. But yeah, my Snapchat gonna be right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video. Like the video. I said like the video. Like the video. And follow me on Snapchat. Feel me? My Snapchat gonna be on there, anything like that. But yeah, let's get into these products. You know what I'm saying? I'm also gonna tell you products that I didn't like either. You know, if me personally, you know, I've been doing waves for a minute, and then even doing it on YouTube. I'm gonna tell you like what I didn't like about it and everything like that. Kind of give you my review, give you my honest opinion, and I'm gonna run down through it for you guys. Royalty, bro, I'm getting fat as hell. Royalty, you know, so I've been using my Royalty. You know, so I got Turn Up Pro and Royalty, but I've been using my Royalty because I think the bristles are spread out a little bit further, and I kind of like that. Okay, so let's start off with, I guess, the ones I didn't like. I'm gonna go into all of them, but kind of like I'm giving you ones I didn't like, and I'm gonna explain why. So the first one I did not really like that well was my African shea butter. I like shea butter. I think this one was just not made well. It wasn't like the organic type. I mean, it's organic, but it wasn't like the homemade type. Like, you know, ladies like making it, whatever like that. I didn't get like the OG type one. So I didn't really like it as much. It's not even like the right color. It was like $2.99. It's not the right color, so that really bothered me. And then mine smelled like bacon. Like, I don't know if shea butter is supposed to smell like bacon, but mine smelled like bacon. So it was just like when it kind of melted in my hair, it smelled like bacon. It made me hungry. Like, I wanted some breakfast, but it was just like, you know, I really didn't want to smell like bacon. But it was good. It worked. I just think this was not a good one in general. But yeah, I think I'll probably get another one, like get a better type shea butter. But if you see one like this brand, I really didn't like it too much. But yeah, I'm gonna try it again. And this is a unrefined shea butter. Like, you know, so I want some nice African shea butter, so I just didn't like this one. Like, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling that one. Next one, as y'all already know, I always say go with Sported Waves. You know what I'm saying? I always say go because, you know what I'm saying, for us, that's first place. You know what I'm saying? That's what one we want. And this was my go-to. This is the black Sported Waves. I do not like this one. They changed the formula up on the Sported Waves. I've been getting it since like 2003, 2002. 2002, so obviously it's not the same. I remember when it was like a tin can. It's not a tin can anymore, but this just doesn't have good hold in it. It's really, like, the consistency is not, I don't like that, bro. I don't like that, bro. It's not a good, bro. I'm about to wipe my hand. I don't like that. I really don't like the consistency on that, so I never recommend it. I never recommend this. Like, if I think it was probably the only one I had at the time. But yeah, this one just, just wasn't what I liked, you know what I'm saying? And then this one's like a backup. You can use this. I only use this like if I'm really stuck, you know what I'm saying? I'm in a you know, in a tight squeeze, and this is like the Indian hemp scalp conditioner. It works good, but I've had better, and that's all I gotta say about that. But yeah, those were the products I didn't like. So now I'm gonna go into detail of what products, you know, how to use them and what I use now. You guys should know this, and if you don't, you should really pay attention because it's gonna help you out in your progress. So yeah, so let's get into it. So first we got this. This is like castor oil. You feel me? This castor oil. And this is really good. This is gonna be a thicker grease. So if you're a medium or coarse hair waver, it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go crazy. It's gonna give you that shine. I can show you this right now. Let me show you. Hold on, can you see me? So you go crazy. So that's just good. That's for the health. That's for the health of your hair, to make sure your hair is healthy as it can be. Just for your scalp too. So this is gonna do your hair and your scalp, just everything on your head. It's just gonna make sure you're good with it, and it's gonna strengthen your roots and everything. Get you to that strong connections and that strong shine. It's gonna make your hair good, man. It's gonna change the quality of your hair, make it a lot better. So this is you know, I always say this one. I never say the curl enhancing smoothie because I like this. I just like this one. Like this one just works for me better personally. The souffle, I've been using it. I stay true to what I use. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? You can use the other one, the other Shea Moisture one, but I just like this one. This one's just thicker. It smells really good. It smells really good. It's a good consistency, and then I'm loving that the products. You know, I'm loving what it's got right there, man. It's good. It's really good to the point where it's like if I don't have castor oil, I can just use this. So this is like my favorite. If for my waves, this is a must have. I gotta have that. And this just conditions your hair. It's kind of like leave-in conditioner almost, but better because it doesn't flake or anything. It's just really, it's a gel that's just, it conditions way better than the gel. So I just love this, man. It just makes me happy. I gotta have it, and it just conditions my hair, and then it trains my hair as well because it's a little bit thicker, and it, you know, it moisturizes it. So that's what I use that for. Then we got the Cantu. My older guys, you know what I'm saying, y'all seen this before, especially in my older videos. Like you've seen this, and Cantu go crazy too. No sleep on the Cantu. It's just that I'm a little bit more advanced with the product, so I just kind of go for Shea Moisture because it just gives me a better shine. But don't get me wrong. This will have you looking right too. You know, the Cantu will have you looking right. Your waves will look right on the Cantu, but for me, sometimes it can flake. Like sometimes with this product, I guess because it's just not really, it doesn't work well with a lot of products, you may notice that it just doesn't blend well. You know what I'm saying? If you have this in and another product in, or if you have just one product, it's like, it might just start flaking and you'll think your hair is dirty, but it's just this product flaking up on you. So that's the only thing. But this is a leave-in conditioner. It helps out with conditioning your hair. Make sure your hair is healthy, shiny, and nice looking. Kind of like how mine is right now. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like that. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure it's nice and everything like that. And then this is one of my favorites that I just got put onto on how to use it the correct way. So this is coconut oil, but this is the organic refined, bro. This was like, I think this was like $8, probably $8, I think, because this is really good, man. It's if you get the refined one, it's not as hard, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it melts depending on the temperature of what your house is or wherever it's being stored at. I like that. But how you use this is you put this in when your hair is wet, like when your hair is all soaked with water. You want to put this in with that. You want to massage it into your scalp, man, and massage it to your hair. It's really good, but you use this when your hair is wet. Don't use it when it's dry because it'll dry your hair out, but when it's wet, it's great. It just pretty much locks in the moisture into your follicles, so that way you can make sure you have nice clean waves and moisturized waves. So use it as a moisturizer, and that's what I use, man. That's really pretty much it. That's everything I use. That's everything. And then of course, you know what I'm saying, the royalty helps me out and everything. And then my do-rag, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all I use. But I really only use now because I got better with the products and I know how to manipulate the products a lot better than when I was younger. I only really need these two. Like these two, like I kind of figure out which one I need. So it's like, I know I'm gonna need this one, but I kind of interchange it. So it's like either this one and that one, the castor oil. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, it's either these two, right? Or these two. You know, I'll use that too. So, and then sometimes if I'm feeling like it, if my hair, I feel like needs it, if my hair is longer, then I'll use this when my hair is wet too. It's kind of like the same thing as the coconut oil, but you know, it's just like a hair product. And this is like the mixed chicks, like it's just a his version or whatever. This is really good if your hair is straight or, you know, whatever. It's kind of like a lotion type texture, but I just don't have the top on it. I know that's not good. I know that's kind of gross, but yeah, it's called the His Mix, whatever. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's really, really good. It's just that I use this when my hair is like kind of uncontrollable, like it's just all over the place. But yeah, man, I think that's the end of the video. Came through with some good tips for you guys, keep you guys up on grind. Yeah, I think that was some good tips to keep you guys up to date and everything. That's what I use personally. That's what I do. And yeah, if you got any questions, leave them down below. Like this video if you liked the video, which I know you liked the video, so like the video, and then subscribe for more content because I will be back with more content. So, you know what I'm saying, just go ahead and do your thing. I appreciate you. I'll see you in my next video.